welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to have a look at these luscious glitter gels that Born Pretty have kindly sent over to us. So we're going to start off with this lovely blue colour. I can't believe how many glitter particles are in this. I've had other glitters before which hardly have any in, but this glitter is amazing. I'm not going to lie, got a little bit excited when I was using this glitter and putting it on the swatch stick. Probably could have done with doing 2 smaller even coats. However, I just couldn't wait to see what they look like. So this first colour is Sea Salt. The second colour here we have is Peacock. These glitters are just amazing. The camera doesn't do it justice, but the reflection between blue and green on this glitter is just lovely. So this time around I probably still put a little bit too much on. I was trying to move the particles of glitter around just to get it nice and even. Which with this one coat I think done pretty well. I did go in and do a second coat using this one. You can just see the variation of colour, but again the camera does not do it justice. It's one of my favourites. Here we have the super chunky first one. So I think this one is, so the third colour we have here is Pink Crystal. Another gorgeous combination of colours. I'm gonna pop it on a swatch stick. The shimmer in the light is just gorgeous. We're going to pop that in the lamp for 60 seconds. Then we have Wish. So this one reminds me of an Ice Queen. Or maybe even some wedding nails. And then finally we have Sparkle Fly. So this one is got sort of goldy pigment to it. Again, some kind of Christmas vibes to it, or wear anytime. So then we have a recap. So we've got our sea salt, then we have peacock, pink crystal, wish, and sparkle fly. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you have, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, pop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!